Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today as usual I would like to give a short review about the Logitech Z121 stereo speakers. Here are the reasons why I recommend this for you. Hello guys, today I would like to give short review about Logitech Z121 compact stereo speakers, which costs around 150,000 Indonesian rupiah, and I think the price of this speaker is quite cheap, and this is our recommendation for you guys, especially a desktop or a notebook user. However, it can also be used for any devices that use 3.5 millimeters audio jack. First thing first, we are going to talk about three things about this Logitech speaker. The first one is about the box, the second one is about the shape of the speaker, and the third one is about the audio quality that the speaker produces. So starting from talking about the box, we can see from the front side of the box, we can see the Logitech logo down here, and also the series of the speaker in the topmost left side of the box. It is written here Z121. This is the series of the speaker, the name of the speaker itself, and this one indicates that this speaker uses the 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and it is USB powered. And we can see here it is written here that it is the #1 selling PC speakers brand. So that's what we can see from the front side of the box. And in the right side of the box, we can see the right speaker front appearance, if I may say, the front side of the right speaker. And we can see that the button of the speaker is located in this right side, the right speaker, and we can also volume down or volume up through this button, and we turn on the speaker also from this button. And in the back side of the box, we can read some brief definition, we can read some brief descriptions about the speaker. It tells about how it is powered. It is USB powered, simple setup, there is no drivers required. We don't need to install any drivers, I think, to use this speaker. And cable management, though the wire is quite long, we can wind up extra cable length inside convenient wells behind each speaker. We can see the convenient wells after unboxing this unboxed speaker. And in the right side of the box, we can see that it can be used with any devices that use 3.5 millimeter aux port. And we can see here several technical specifications. Total watts or peak 2.0 watt. I think this is the total watts that the speaker requires, during the maximum volume or the maximum performance of the speaker. It requires only 2.0 watt. I don't know what does it mean. I don't know what it means, but I think it is low wattage speaker. And total watts RMS, I don't know what RMS stands for, so if anyone here knows about it, please feel free to give comments down below. 1.2 watt, 3.5 millimeter input, USB cable for power. And what's inside the box, we can see two speakers, user documentation. This speaker has 1 year limited hardware warranty. Swiss technology company, established in 1981, I think. So this Logitech, I think, is originated from Swiss, if I'm not mistaken. And here we can see the SNE logo, knowing that it is produced for Indonesia. So it is SNE is the standardized sticker. Okay, I think that's all about the box. Let's open it. Again and again, I told you that this has been unboxed before, so this is not a brand new one. So this is the product. We are going to talk about it after seeing what's inside the box. We have also the documentations. We have the safety, compliance and warranty information. Apa itu? Setik ya. So this is the documentations. These are the documents inside the box. It is written in several languages, and we have also this thing, the guidelines, the manual. Okay, that's enough about what's inside the box. Let's talk about the product itself. So here it is. We have two speakers after buying it, and this speaker is not in its perfect condition, knowing that I have already used it for several months. And this is the wells. These are the wells that the speaker that the box tells us, so we can just adjust the wire. We can manage this wire using this well. So we can just maybe doing this to adjust the length of the wire. I think this is the maximum. So here it is. I think this is better compared to before. So here is how it looks. So this is how it looks. This is the right speaker, and this one is the left. This is the right speaker, and this one is the left speaker, and we can see the button here. So here it is. So it has Logitech logo here. Again and again, this is not a brand new Logitech speaker. I have been using this for months. And this is the right speaker. The lamp, the power indicator lamp. I don't know, I may mistakenly manage the wire. If you know a better way to manage the wire, please give comments down below. So actually this is how it looks. Okay, let's now do the third phase that we need to do in this video to test the audio quality using a notebook. This is how the speaker will produce the sound using the notebook, and this is how it is powered. We just need to rotate the power button to the right until there will be a click sound like this. Now it is on. The lamp indicator is on. Let's test the audio quality. So I adjust the volume of the laptop to 100%, and let's play the music.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my
What do you think about the sound quality that the speaker produces? Give comments down below if you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye, see you in the next video.